What we really need is denazification of the State of Israel. We need to see Netanyahu and his butchers facing tribunals, and if convicted, let's hope, facing gallows. That's what we need. Mass murderers should be convicted. If not, there will be no peace. In Palestine, there will be no peace in the world. All the decent, peaceful people of this world need to see the Holocaust Haggadah, which is the main tool of Israeli and Jewish propaganda, studied, scientifically studied, not used as a tool of propaganda hybrid war. Let's ban Talmud, not TikTok. Thank you very much.